Hi, welcome to this video. I'm Ellen. Does the Admire My Skin product, which is based on whitening rosehip oil, calming sea buckthorn oil, and argan oil, really work? Does this product help to eliminate stains and lines of expression in us women? Friend, I know that you want to buy this product, and you still have doubts, and you don't know what to do. Thinking about it, I decided to record this video to talk about how it works and how to use Admire My Skin. Remembering, here in the video description, there is more information about the product, and to help you, I already left the Admire My Skin official website in the video description and in the first comment. Now let's go. What is Admire My Skin? Admire My Skin is one of the most effective serums for helping fade hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and melasma. Due to its unique blend of ingredients, this formula outperforms other brightening products and creams. Who is Admire My Skin for? Admire My Skin was designed to address key skincare concerns including melasma, acne, sun damage, and other signs of aging skin. Thousands of satisfied customers and 5-star reviews attest to the fact that you can rely on our products to deliver on the promise of more beautiful skin. Admire My Skin is a revolutionary product that is connected to the way people take care of their skin. With its innovative formula and carefully selected ingredients, this face cream is the perfect solution for anyone looking for radiant, healthy skin. Its unique formula contains a combination of powerful ingredients, including hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, retinol, and collagen, which work together to hydrate, nourish, and rejuvenate the skin. Hyaluronic acid is one of the main ingredients of the product, as it has the ability to retain moisture and keep the skin hydrated for longer. Vitamin C is another key ingredient in this face cream, as it is a potent antioxidant that helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, as well as stimulating collagen production in the skin. Retinol, in turn, helps reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, leaving skin more even and radiant. In addition, Admire My Skin also contains collagen, which is a fundamental protein to maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Over time, the natural production of collagen decreases, which can lead to wrinkles and sagging skin. The collagen present in this face cream helps to stimulate the production of this protein, leaving the skin firmer and younger looking. By using Admire My Skin regularly, you will notice a significant improvement in the appearance of your skin. She remains more hydrated, nourished, and radiant, looking younger and healthier. This face cream is ideal for all skin types and can be used both during the day and at night. Try Admire My Skin and feel the difference in your skin in just a few weeks. Admire My Skin is very easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. Before applying the cream, make sure your skin is clean and dry. Gently apply the cream to the skin of the face and neck, gently massaging in circular motions. Make sure not to rub too hard, as this can cause skin allergies. Allow the cream to fully absorb into the skin before applying any other products, such as sunscreen or makeup. Admire My Skin can be used both morning and night. Try Admire My Skin today and enjoy healthier, hydrated, and radiant skin in no time. So that's how Admire My Skin works. I hope you get excellent results with this product. Remembering, to help you, I already left the Admire My Skin official website in the video description and in the first comment. Thank you very much and see you later.